$500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, and you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out today. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, we are starting with GainX 1200. GainX 1200 has been on a very strong uptrend for some days now, although it has been moving in between this channel. Okay, earlier today it made an attempt to break out below this channel, and I told you once it breaks out it's going to sell more. It sold for a while but didn't go too far, and right now it's trying to buy. If it should enter the channel again, then it will continue with the trade in between the channel. But if it does not, then it will go back and sell. But for now, it is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above this. Okay, so until it is unable to break out into the channel, break into the channel rather. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break into the channel. Okay, so this is very, very important. The next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This had been an uptrend right from here, and it started this trend 2 days ago, and you can see it's bought till it got to this region. There are pullbacks in between, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and it has gotten to a new resistance zone. Okay, somewhere here, and it has gotten there here, so it's respected it before, so it's going to respect it this time around. So this is going to sell, and we should have a selling opportunity right from there. So you can quickly have some TPs highlighted for yourself. This is going to be my first TP if I'm to go with this. Then right here will be my second TP. I'm on 15-minute time frame, so this is a good trading opportunity. Then my last TP should be somewhere here, guys. My last TP should be somewhere here. Do not forget to set your stop loss also. So this is very, very important. So this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. So this is PayNext 1200. This has been on downtrend after switching into a downtrend right from it broke out from this support zone to sell more, and it is still selling at the moment. If it should break out from the next support zone, then it's still going to sell more. If it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend. So this is selling at the moment. Okay, now let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be PayNext 999. PayNext 999 had also been on downtrend. We all started it from here, and of course it sold and sold and sold, broke out from this particular support region, and it has gotten to a new one. And if it should break out below it, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back into an uptrend. But for now, it is still selling. Okay, the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. It's going to be our last assets for today. FX volume 80 had been on downtrend right from here. I made video about this I think 2 days ago, and of course and I told you this is going to sell more. Got to this region, tried to go back on uptrend, but it didn't go too far before going back to break out below the support zone. And when there is a breakout, then it's going to go in that direction for a while, and that is why you see it selling. And this is still selling right now, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.